Hi, welcome to Family DIY. Today we have a very fun project. I'm going to take this very basic, old, outdated door and I'm going to make it look fresh and new on the cheap with this amazing vinyl wallpaper that looks just like real wood that I found on Amazon. So stick around and watch how we make this happen. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that we're going to do to make our lives easier, we are going to take off the doorknob. To remove the inner part of the doorknob, all we have to do is take off these two screws. To remove the front part of the doorknob, you need to use a screwdriver to release the pin. Now that the doorknob is off, we can remove the cover. Finally, we can detach it from the door. All we have to do is remove these two screws. To make my life easier for later, what I always do whenever I detach something like this, I take a little bit of blue painter's tape and then I put the screws, wrap it in the tape, and then actually tape them to the part. That way they don't get separated. So the wallpaper has to be on completely smooth surface. We have a couple of raised edges right here. I'm going to take this sander and sand it down really fast. I'm just going to wipe off all of the dust from sanding. The next step is to measure the height of the door so that we know how big the pieces need to be. So now I'm going to measure the paper. I'm going to start right here at the first line that indicates the first wood plank, and I'm going to measure it all the way up until it's the correct height. So I'm going to cut it at the next highest line to where the size is that I need. I'll have a little bit of extra, but that'll be okay. I can cut that off after. I'm going to trim the top side too. I'm going to do that 2 more times so that I have enough paper to cover the whole door. So finally, it's the fun part. We're going to start hanging the wallpaper. For this step, you need the wallpaper. You need a level, and you're going to need some sort of credit card or old gift card or something to smooth out the bubbles. It's very easy. You just peel off the backing and you start slowly working your way from the top to the bottom. One thing to keep in mind with this type of thing, because it has these vertical lines, you want to make sure that you're laying it straight. That's where the level comes in. Perfect. I'm going to take the sticker off. There's a backing to this, so all you have to do is peel the corner and then take a little bit off at a time. I recommend that you don't take the entire thing off at once, as it'll get tangled up like a big piece of tape. Now I'm just gonna double check that it's level, and then I'm gonna try to get all the bubbles out with the credit card. Perfect. I'm just gonna start and work my way towards the edges. So one of the benefits of this type of product is that if you made a mistake and it was crooked, you could just peel it off and put it back on as many times as you needed until it was straight. I just got lucky and it was straight. It's hard to tell, but there's a bubble right here. It's that easy. Just like anything in your house, doors might not be straight, walls might not be straight. Leave a little bit of extra at the bottom. That way, you'll always have a clean finish. Now all we have to do is keep putting the wallpaper and wrap it all the way around the door using the steps for the first piece. So when you're doing the corners, make sure it's smooth. A lot of times the doors won't be straight again. There'll be like a little indent, but do however you can to make it as smooth as possible. We are on the final and last piece. So now you see the door looks a million times better. We're gonna add the door knobs back on. So as you can see, the final product, the door looks great. We put this on our other doors in our house. It's very durable, it's easy to clean. We have a dog, the dog has scratched at it and you can't even tell. It's a very, very great product. We're going to put links in the description below if you're interested. And if you like this video, then like and subscribe to our channel.